In the age of advanced ransomware attacks, having a clean copy of data is necessary. Of course, backups are important, but they are absolutely worthless when you don't have the confidence that it's reliable and can be recovered in case of emergency. That's why testing is critical when talking about backups, and that's the focus of this article. We look into the different elements of backup testing, what to test, when to test, how to test, and the management framework required around the whole process. Every organization has data and applications that needs to be protected. But the amount of data that can be lost and the time it's available is different for each organization. That's why the ability to identify what's important and the testing of recovery is critical. Before anything else, a backup audit should be conducted to identify the organization's data, applications, locations, and the RPO and RTO. This includes the deployment methods of applications and the need to protect them. The backup audit should be regularly updated to take into account new application deployments, with backup requirements for applications. The types of tests that should be conducted vary according to the level of granularity, different datasets, and the type of workload. These tests should include recoveries of files, volumes, and other types of data as well, such as an entire site or several. However, the backup landscape is subject to changes since applications and data can be located in different places, such as the cloud, so tests must cover all the scenarios. Additionally, testing should be built into the application development process so the ability to recover their data is ensured. Finally, it's necessary to create a backup testing plan and document the results of the tests. A detailed plan should include length of time where data needs to be available and the level of recovery required, the ways and timelines for testing, and regular audits for systems and applications, recording the RPO and RTO tiers. By following the outline of this article, organizations can have the assurance of reliable backups and the peace of mind in case of emergency.